Hola people, so it's my birthday today and it's my first full day here in Japan, so get dressed with me. But before that, we have an amazing gift for myself. So I actually got it when I arrived and naggalagala kasi kaagad ako dito around the area. We are actually in Tokyo right now, and when I fully decide na itutuloy ko tong Japan, I will go to Mount Fuji on my birthday. Well, this is actually my airport fit, but we're gonna add something lang. Since it's still winter here, impulsive din tong trip na to. I didn't know na itutuloy ko din to. Before natin tapusin ang feat, this is from Bottega Veneta. I never thought na mabibili ko to on a very special day. It's like a dream come true talaga. And this is Andiamo. And I got it on a silver hardware, guys. Diyan ka na muna, baby. Actually, kinakabahan ako sa trip na to. As you guys know, my last trip, na-aksidente ako. That's why we're not gonna do any kinds of activities today or for this whole trip. I just really wanted to enjoy the moment, enjoy the place, and it's my childhood dream talaga. For loafers from Zara. Pants from Zara also. For hoodie, you all know what it is. Essentials. Coat from Perry Ellis. And this one is from TikTok Shop. And our La City bag that is gonna fit everything. I have it with myself. A cologne from Jo Malone. It's Sunlit Cherry Moya because we are the sun of our own story. See you guys on my second day.